Welcome to our buying guide channel today. We're excited to introduce a versatile and comprehensive keyboard cleaning kit laptop cleaner. Remember, the link to purchase this product at a special discount is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out at the beginning and end of this review. This all-in-one cleaning kit is designed to keep your electronic devices spotless and functioning smoothly. It features a 10-in-1 set of tools, including a retractable large brush, polishing cleaning cloths, keycap puller, metal pen tip, flocking sponge, soft brushes, lens cleaning pen, and multiple replacement cloths. The kit is built with a patent-pending design, ensuring innovative and effective cleaning solutions. One of the standout aspects of this product is its professional-grade functionality. It allows for deep cleaning of keyboards, including pulling out keycaps on gaming or mechanical keyboards, and the retractable brush makes it easy to clean between keys on laptops. The metal pen tip is gentle yet effective for removing stubborn stains, while the microfiber cloths absorb stains without leaving streaks or fibers behind. The kit's design makes it suitable for a variety of devices, from MacBooks and iPads to iPhones, earbuds, cameras, and monitors, making it a truly multi-purpose cleaning solution. The included soft brushes and lens cleaning pen are perfect for delicate surfaces like camera lenses and screens, ensuring no scratches or damage. The flocking sponge is an excellent tool for cleaning earbuds and charging cases, adding to its versatility. The compact, portable design means you can carry this kit anywhere, ideal for office, travel, or home use. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, this kit offers a comprehensive set of tools that cover almost all electronic cleaning needs, with high-quality accessories and a patent-pending design that enhances cleaning efficiency. It's easy to use, portable, and suitable for both personal and professional use. However, some users might find the extensive set a bit overwhelming initially, and the price could be higher compared to simpler cleaning solutions, though the variety and quality justify the investment. In conclusion, if you're looking for a professional, multifunctional cleaning kit that can handle everything from keyboards to camera lenses, this product is an excellent choice. Remember, the discounted link is pinned in the first comment. Check it out at the beginning and end of this review to get yours today. Keep your devices spotless and functioning at their best with this all-in-one cleaning solution.